Good morning, students. So in the previous class we were discussing the lesson number 5, that is our history, and in this lesson already we have discussed about the Anisean period. I told you that there are 3 periods in our civilization, and those are the Anisean period, and next medieval period and modern period. And in Anisean period we have already discussed about the Anisean period, and the first civilization which occurs in the Anisean period, that was nothing but Indus Valley civilization. See here, Indus Valley civilization. So just see here, first I will write all the importance point which is necessary. So see here. So the first point is the first known urban society in India. Urban society in India was the Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization. Okay. Now second point is it was located along the Indus River. And next it extended from the Ganga Yamuna to Gujarat. Okay, next some important buildings. Such as Great Bath, and Granary, and the Granary. Sales, pottery jewelries, and other remains. Okay, and next if we talk about their lifestyle, yes, this is about something in Indus Valley civilization. That is the first known urban society in India was the Indus Valley civilization. Okay? So in the beginning of the Anisean period, if we talk about some society, then this Indus Valley civilization was the first society which found during the Anisean period. Okay. So next, it was located along the Indus River. Andre idu Indus Valley civilization ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು near a river that is called as Indus River. Okay. So next this Indus Valley civilization extended from the Ganga Yamuna. Ganga ಮತ್ತು ಯಮುನಾ ನದಿಯಿಂದ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗೈತಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನ ಅಪ್ ಟು ದ ಗುಜರಾತ್. Okay, it starts to extended from the Ganga and Yamuna river also at last to the Gujarat. And some of the very important buildings which are built during the Indus Valley civilization are the first one, Great Bath. It is a building. It is a building. So the Great Bath you can see in this picture. And the next very important building is the granary. Okay, seals and pottery jewelries. These are some other buildings which are built during the Indus Valley civilization. Okay, and of course the Great Bath, the granary, seals and the pottery jewelries, these all civilizations tells about the lifestyle of the people who lived in that society. ಅಂದರೆ ಇವು ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಬಾತ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಗ್ರ್ಯಾನರೀಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ವಾಟರ್ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲರೀಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾವು? ಇಂದೂಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಸಿವಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಜನರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೂಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಾಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯನ್ಸಿಯಂಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ಜನರ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆದರೂ ಕ್ಲೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಂದೂಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ ಸಿವಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ yes, next we will discuss about the Aryans. So before that, just write it down. So Indus Valley civilization, the first known urban society in India was the Indus Valley civilization, and it was located along the Indus river, and it extended from the Ganga Yamuna to the Sens river to the Gujarat. And next some important buildings such as the Great Bath and the granary, seal, pottery, jewelry. Okay, and by seeing all of these we can get the clue about the lifestyle of the people from ancient period. Okay, so next we are going to discuss about the Aryans. The Aryans. So see here some of the important points I will write first here. This group came to India. Which group? This Aryans group came to India. And settled in the northwest Punjab, which was then called Sapta Sindhu. Which was then called Sapta Sindhu. Okay, so the next one is they grew crops. They grew crops. And domesticated animals. Domesticated animals. Next, they believed in open air ceremonies. They believed in open air ceremonies. And sacrifices. And the Aryans were the first to write. The Aryans were first. To write in Sanskrit. To write in Sanskrit. And many great books such as many great books such as the Vedas, and epics like Ramayana, and Mahabharata. Were written during this period. Okay, so this is something about the Aryans. Okay, let's see here. First, this group, which group? This Aryans group came to India and settled in the northwest frontier province and Punjab, which was then called Sapta Sindhu. Aryans India ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೋ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ದೇ ನೀಡ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು ಸೆಟಲ್ ಡೌನ್. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೋ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಸೊ ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸೆಟಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಡೇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಸಪ್ತ ಸಿಂಧು. ಈ ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪಂಜಾಬಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಹೆಸರಂತ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತಿದ್ರು? ಸಪ್ತ ಸಿಂಧು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಯನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಇನ್ ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಸಪ್ತ ಸಿಂಧು. And they grew crops. Who grew crops? Aryans grew crops and also domesticated animals. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಥರದ ಬೆಳೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅವರು ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸನ್ನು ಹೊಲದೊಳಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಯಕತ್ರು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಸಾಕಕತ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಬಿಲೀವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಏರ್ ಸೆರೆಮನೀಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋತಿದ್ರು ಅವರು? ಓಪನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಒಳಗೆ. ಓಪನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಒಳಗೆ ಅವರು ಇಟ್ಕೋತಿದ್ರು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸಸ್. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಸಮ್ something you need to sacrifice something. ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನಾದರೂ ತ್ಯಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So also Aryans were also believed in sacrifices. Okay. So next, the Aryans were first to write in Sanskrit. So ಈಗಾದರೂ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ language ಐತಿ. So of course we can talk in Sanskrit, we can write in Sanskrit. So there is the language which is called as epic language. So that is Sanskrit. So first ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತನ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದವರು ಯಾರು? ಆರ್ಯನ್ಸ್. Okay. And next, many great books. Of course there are so many great books and holy books we can say. So which are those? Those are the Vedas. ವೇದಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಬುಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ವೇದಾಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಉಪನಿಷತ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಬುಕ್ಸು ಅದಾವ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಉಪನಿಷತ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅದರ. ಎಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಭಾಳ ಪವಿತ್ರವಾದ ಬುಕ್ಸ್. ಅವು ಯಾವುವು? ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತ. ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಆಗಲಿ ಮಹಾಭಾರತ ಆಗಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಒಳಗೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್? ಇನ್ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೀಸ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಮೆನಿ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. Still many holy books are there which are related to the gods and spirituality, and all those books are written in Sanskrit language. Okay. So this is something about Aryans. So except this, if we discuss something else, that is of course these books are helpful in understanding the people and civilization of that time. ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಬುಕ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ಓದಿದ್ರ, ಲೈಕ್ ವೇದಾಸ್, ಉಪನಿಷತ್ಸ್, ರಾಮಾಯಣ, ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತಾ ಆಗಲಿ ಮಹಾಭಾರತ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬುಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಮೊದಲಿನ ಕಾಲದೊಳಗೆ, ಮೊದಲಿನ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಜನ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು, what was their lifestyle, what was their food, what was their spirituality, you will come to know. Okay. So next, since the Vedas were written during this period is also known as the Vedic age. ಸೊ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲಿನ ಕಾಲೊಳಗೂ ಏನು ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು? ವೇದಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ವೇದಿಕ್ ಏಜ್ ಅಂತಂತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದಟ್ ಏಜ್? we call, because since the Vedas were written during that period, so that period is also called as Vedic age. Okay. So this is something about Aryans. So if we next discussed about that is Mahajanapadas. Okay. So yes, that we will discuss in tomorrow's class, Mahajanapadas. So this is it for today. Aryans, just write it down. for today. The remaining part of this lesson we will discuss in tomorrow's class.